5 ways to your happiness. Let me share the knowledge that I have experienced. Unhappiness, anxiety doesn't see age, class, or religion. Thousands of years, human ate food together, narrated stories, all the discoveries, gazing the stars, a sense of belongingness. Now, that sense of belongingness is all lost. Take out some time with your family and be together. The next step is a loving touch, hugging in love your loved ones. It releases hormone called oxytocin. Make a gentle hug for your loved ones and create new neural pathways, a sense of belongingness. Friendship and loving ourselves. It has to be a true nature to love ourselves, to be happy. Next step is to inhale and exhale. Be and feel the nature. Allow the sun to fall on your face. Inhale and exhale. The last step, your connection to the divine. Let me tell you how. At night when you sleep, take the divine's name and surrender all your problems to the divine. And I bet, try all these steps, happiness is yours. Happiness is your birthright. Be happy.